Me too.
Smile. You can't even smile properly. That's the trail.
Let's go. That's 7 miles back and forth.
Oh, 7
Yeah.
miles back and forth. But 7 miles on the way over there?
Yeah.
And on the way over back?
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh.
Loop.
Your parents are the one bike anymore?
They're busy.
They're busy or they're lazy?
Both.
They're like, let's go hiking, and then only you actually continued on with the hike. This is easier. Yes.
Hmm?
You know the only thing I hate about in the military?
What?
The unnecessary screaming.
Unnecessary what?
Screaming.
Training?
Screaming!
Oh.
You know when you go uphill you have to scream?
Oh.
You go like, ah! I'm like, ah! That's what I didn't like about it. Where are we going?
Go forward. We're on the right trail.
I didn't know this. With a 40-pound rucksack on you.
45 pounds?
40-pound rucksack. And you're hiking 9 miles. Now I'm burning with my rucksack. I might skip PT tomorrow.
Yeah, PT tomorrow?
Yeah?
That's good. Warm up.
This is a warm up. This is a warm up for our PT tomorrow. What do you mean?
It is. It's a good warm up for you tomorrow.
Bruh.
Wait, where are we?
Where are you?
No, that check. Yeah, we're good.
Oh, I need water.
Yeah, we're good. We're halfway.
We're halfway.
You gonna eat?
No, I just want water. Well, the good thing is mine is cold.
I'll refill that.
I know, but that gets hot if your backpack gets hot.
Mm-hmm.
It's thermal.
Yes, insulation, remember?
You took out the knife here, huh?
Yeah. Wait, so there's 2 trails. Yeah, we're going this way, Jillian.
Okay. Hold on.
Cool.
This is probably where the water's flow.
Yeah,
Like from
if it
over
rains.
there. Maybe from over there to here. That's water flow. Ow!
We're almost at the ridge.
What ridge?
The top.
Top?
Mm-hmm.
Almost. There's a very big difference from you're there. Tell me when we're there.
See, we're almost there.
Almost.
The open area.
Huh?
Supposedly. Yeah.
Almost is not
Mhm.
there. That's why they say it's almost not there. I see the light, literally. Where are we going? That way. That way, Hayward. So tired. Yeah, I'm standing like a cowboy.
Right here. Wait. You tired?
Because I ran up that way. I think that's Mission Peak.
Mission Peak is over there. What are you talking about?
No. That steepness
Oh,
is Mission Peak.
that's nothing.
Should not. Right up that hill. Right down.
Yeah. Now all downhill.
Huh?
All down.
The downhill is better than uphill.
Wait, yeah. Okay, down.
The only thing I don't like is this
We're heading back.
Hold on, there's bugs already.
Hmm?
I don't like when there's bugs.
I know, there's a lot of bugs. Shit. Hey.
Oh no, it's a bug, it's a bee. You know this one like that?
Hmm?
I don't like the bugs. I'll get rashes again. I would rather get suffocated in heat than get stung by a bug. Thank you.
There's a bug! There's a bug! No, no, there's a bug! There's a poop! There's a poop!
Maybe that's like Cassie likes boyfriends. If she knows that her baby brother, she's gonna have a baby brother.
Yeah.
Like, I better get used to this now. She's gonna be just like me, a big bully. Oh my god. I think that's the only part where we're gonna get along. And I'm like, do this. It'll make him try harder.
Aray.
See? Pants. Pants. Not tight. Pants.
We're not gonna see rattlesnakes over here. We're gonna see poop over here. Poop snakes.
better than the other thing. I think it's nice. Brother, you're funny. Can I just tumble down?
Huh?
Can I just tumble down?
What?
Can I tumble down?
Go ahead. Be my guest. Right here.
Put me in a barrel and roll me down. Roll me down here. Oh. Why are you doing? I don't like that noise.
What? You scare me.
Oh my god, Dad. There's lizards in here. See, that's why I like it when there's like 3 people, you know? So I can be in the middle.
Well, it's you and me now.
That's not fair. Why am I in the front? I don't know, it's better to be in the front too. I'm not even gonna look at the videos, I'm not gonna look down. I'm gonna look straight forward. Every time I look down, there's like a lizard. I'm like, dude,
There's a what?
there's a lizard.
Lizard?
Yeah.
The gecko thing?
Yeah. You know what I want though?
What?
I want like those big lizards.
A what?
The dragon thing. The
That-
dragon lizard.
Mm-hmm.
Just really want that.
That's, first of all, that's exotic. Second, they carry bacteria.
No, you don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, you don't. Did we reach the peak yet? Or that was the peak? Dad,
Mm.
was that the peak?
Pick up what?
And you're just turning back now?
Mm-hmm.
That was it?
Yep.
The part that has a lot of cow poop in it?
Mm-hmm.
That was the peak.
Yeah. No, not that's the other one. There's another one.
But that's like the top, and then we're just turning back around.
Yeah. The one I'm talking about, the 7 miles hike, is the highest one. That's about 18,000 feet. 1,800 feet. Not 18,000. The heck?
No, I just don't like it.
It's right there, actually.
You're kidding.
Yeah. 7 miles.
I'm gonna need a zip line down for that. Thank you very much. I feel like that's how. Okay. If you're gonna make a trail and it's very, very high.
Wait, where are we? Is it open trail?
I think
Yes.
it goes down here.
Oh.
It turns around here. That's not an open trail.
It is right here. It is right here, Jalen.
Here?
No, here. Go down here.
I was about to say, I'm gonna slide down there, Dad.
No, that's not.
That's a slide.
Yeah.
I was like, hold on. No, but like, if you're gonna make something very high, like let's say that, or Mission Peak, and then the rest is downhill, create a zip line at the very top for people. You know, that's like your reward. Oh, great, you climbed up here, go zip line down. If you're scared of heights, walk down. Like, I feel like that should, every high point should have that, like a zip line down. I'm gonna go zip lining. You know I was gonna ask that for my 18th birthday to go skydiving?
No,
That's a fun
I'm
one.
not gonna let you do skydiving.
Huh?
That's one way or another. I know you leave right after.
So, this is a lizard.
Damn, don't do that. You're scaring me.
This is a lizard. Oof, my legs.
Looks like nobody goes over here.
I wonder why.
I don't see any poop, dog poop or anything.
Huh?
I don't see any dog poop or anything.
You don't see any trail. I don't see any footmarks.
Just Gila, wanna cut through?
Huh?
You just wanna cut through here?
No.
Okay, go.
Actually, hold on. Am I that desperate to go down so easily? No, we're gonna slide down, but I don't.
Oh yeah, just go. Just
I don't have the grip on my shoes to do that. I'm gonna go way. That's what I'm gonna tumble down. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Teletubbies!
Oh no, those are crazy. Teletubbies are creepy. The way it was made is even creepier.
I don't know why kids love it.
Huh?
I don't know why kids love it.
Huh?
Nothing, go.